Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Cryptocurrency Alliance's Bitcoin Breakdown Series. This is episode 27, moving along. Had some bumps in the road. Want to thank you guys for showing up again today. Obviously, 10 or 15 minutes out of your time to break down Bitcoin. We're going to break down some of the trades that we've been currently making in our Alliance account. For those of you who don't know what the Alliance account is, it's a trading account we started about 2 weeks ago. It had $3,000 in it. At that time, it was about 0.48 Bitcoin, a little under a half a Bitcoin. We've since then, we're up a little over 50% in that account. Overall, we're about 4,800, 4,900. I haven't checked. We'll check here in just a minute. So guys, for those of you who are new to the channel, we break down Bitcoin every day, Monday through Friday. We break down the charts. We break down Bitcoin, where we think it's going to move, up or down, what it's going to do to the rest of the market. We don't spend, too much time on that because we do it every day. So we will be going over step by step, level by level, what we're looking for, where we're shorting, where we're taking longer positions. For those of you who've been here, like I said, welcome back. Thanks for showing up again. We got some new stuff for you guys today. We're going to put it at the end of the video. A little surprise for you guys, something we're going to add to each and every episode. We'll add to it, and we'll do different ones every day. So we'll show you that here at the end. It's kind of exciting. So like I said, guys, this episode, all these episodes are about Bitcoin, about, the ins and outs of what we do here inside the Alliance. So whether you're new, whether you've been doing this for a while, you're going to find value here in these videos. You're going to find something that's going to help you in a decision that you're trying to make, or you're going to find something that's going to help you make a decision that you're just like totally, messed up about. You don't know whether it's going up, you don't know whether it's going down, you need another set of eyes to look at the market with you, and we're going to do that for you. Some of you just might be lost. You don't really know what Bitcoin's doing. You expected it to go a certain way a long time ago, and it's totally going against you, and maybe we can give you guys a reason why it's doing that and show you the areas that you could be missing out on. So that's what the channel's about. That's what the channel's about, guys. Like I said, we're going to fill you guys in with a lot of information. You guys take that information, do what you please. Always do your own research. Never take what we say and just go trade. So we trade certain ways. We have certain rules, as you guys should too. But you got to figure out trading for yourself. But like I said, we're here to give you our aspect, or our point of view on what we think is going to happen, and then you guys help us, in the chats down here below, in the YouTube channel. Let us know what you guys think. Let us know what you guys want us to look at. Any tokens or coins you guys want us to review. And we'll think about making that part of the show as well, covering a little bit of stuff that you guys call out for us. But like I said, we look at the market a certain way, so we want you guys to follow along with us during these 10-15 minutes a day. Look through our eyes, see our charts, and see what types of things we're looking for. So with that said, let's jump right in here. So we've had this rising wedge for Bitcoin. We've been talking about it for a while. This wedge is a total bearish pattern. Okay, in a sense. So we'll draw it up a little bit here. So it's been, it's been going for a while. Kind of something like this. I'm not gonna spend too much time making it perfect. So it's been kind of going back and forth in this little channel. Now, what's stopping it? Where can we go next? Because we are in an oversold area. Let me pull that up. I said oversold. I meant overbought, guys. I apologize. What in the world? I don't have any indicators up. So it's acting a little funny. So I'll show you the RSI on my other account. But let me show you this first. These are the kind of things we're looking for, guys. So we look at what could happen. What is going to stop this? Look at these areas here. Particularly this one here. Happened again. Same area here. We're going to have problems here. So let's mark this up. I'd say that's about the, oh yeah, perfect. Look at all these wicks. Look at all these wicks in this area. This is what we look for. This is an area that it struggled to get through. And then when it popped through, it really popped through and kept rising. When it came back down, it struggled in the same area. We're going to expect this to happen in this area here. So look for the same situation in this area. Notice we're already in this area, guys. So Can it get up to 7,500 and stall out here? That's where I would take my short. I would have my stop loss right above 7,600 because remember, could get liquidated, guys. If you guys are trying to short, you could get liquidated with one of these long wicks right here. I wouldn't have my stop loss way up here, though, because, I mean, if you get liquidated way up there, you're going to lose even more money. I would play it safe, short somewhere along in this area at 7,500. For those of you who are looking to short, like I said, keep your stop loss above 60, right around 7,600. That should look good for you. For those of you looking for that long position like me, I'm trading with the trend, and so far the trend has been up since the 13th. So I'm trading with the trend, guys, right now. It is a bearish market. It's still a bearish market. No doubt about that. You know, this is still a wedge pattern, no doubt about that. But we are looking at this from a trader's perspective, and you know, this is where I would take my short at on BitMEX or whatever you guys would want to take it at. Now, what could stop it if it falls, if it collapses, if it falls from here, if it falls from 7,500, if it makes it to 7,600? What could stop it? Okay, I'm gonna look here. This is what I think could stop it. Notice the wick, and then this area over here. I mean, this whole area is the same area as this right here. You know what I mean? So you can even stretch that out and say boom. So I'm looking at this area right here, like I said, and I'll mark it at the top of these wicks right here. It also, you know, confluence right here, tapped off it right here. So I'm looking for a long position at that 7140 to 7200 area. If I get back down in here, I will take a long position to hold in Bitcoin, and then I'll set my stop loss around 7,000. So like I said, those of you up top, we talked about that, 7,500, 7,400, and stop losses of 7,600. Those of you coming down here looking for that long, 7,150, 7,200 area, I can see it bouncing back off to the upside. Guys, even though everything looks oversold, overbought, it just takes one big whale to jump in this market, push it through 7,500, and, you know, commence the bull run. I ain't saying it's the bull run, but it can commence a bull run. I mean, anything where we can jump to 7, 8, 9,000 would be outstanding for everybody. If we can do what we did in these little 2 weeks of this choppy market, you know, climbing upwards, up 50-something%, imagine what we could do if we get to 9,000, 8,000. You know what I mean? A lot can happen in that area, guys, so keep your eyes on it. Let's check out what's going on with the rest of the market, though. I want to start right here with OST. A lot of reasons for me to like this trade for OST. We took it. My first OST trade was down in here, and all these spikes and consolidation. It wasn't seeing any kind of downside. It dramatically broke out, and we saw this right here. We saw that same move here. We saw a flag and a dramatic breakout. What do you think I'm looking for after this consolidation? A dramatic breakout, guys. I want to see this thing go from I'm in down here with these wicks. I want to see this thing jump up 20%. We could see that, and we could see it very quickly. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it because I want to see if you guys can get an entry anywhere down in here, you know, below 520, 52, maybe 530, something like that. You guys can get an entry. We already talked about Bitcoin. It is entering oversold right now. We're currently at 70. That is oversold. 80 and 90 would be an absolute awesome thing for us to happen. I'm in a couple of these trades. You can't see all my trades, guys, but as you know, I am in these trades down in here, and I'm pushing up to the top. These are the trades that I'm in right now. These are some of the trades I'm looking into. As you can see, I'm way up on a lot of these trades right now, 48.15. Let's refresh and see where we're at. Made $3, 48.18, guys. This MCO is actually a mistake. I pushed the wrong buttons. I wasn't paying attention, and I bought 1.8 MCO. I meant to buy a lot more, but it's above my price now, and I strictly will just not get into it. So, guys, we're a lot up on our account. The way I've been doing this is by, you know, leveraging what I have, not leveraging what I have, but taking what I have and using it smart. You know, if I know there's going to be a lot of trades, if there's a lot of setups, I use a small percentage of my money to get in each trade, to get percentage of a profit, and then I exit those trades. If I have a lot of Bitcoin and I'm not seeing many setups, I like to go a little bit bigger and set tight stop losses on those trades. Like, for example, Strat. You know, I got 12, 15% on Strat, and it was in a very short amount of time. I decided to, even though this is a long-term hold for me, I decided to close 75% of my position, and now I'll hold that 25 forever and see what happens with it. I kind of put that in the bank per se. You know, I never close 100% of my positions unless I think the market's going to take a complete dump. I'll hold 25% of all these bags. That way I have these bags when the market takes off. I have all these small little bags set aside that'll go 2, 3, 4, 100%, and then I'll close them when I see the time. So, guys, we're going to move on to something different. I want to show you guys a couple of, we're going to show you guys a couple of technical things. Since this is talking about technicals, I'm going to show you guys some technical things at the end of these videos. Something that's going to help you. I've been making money with this pattern over and over again. It has been working for me. I've been searching for it all over the charts on a 4-hour or better, and I want to show it to you guys. I've posted about it. You guys need to see it. This pattern here. Let me show you guys. Let me actually start with a better one. How about this one? Here we go. This is how it goes, guys. A big drop in, a complete bottom out, a spike up, the biggest spike, spike down, spike up, spike down, spike up, spike down. It's been squeezed into a smaller and smaller range before blasting off to the upside. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this out of this trade. I'm currently in right around here on this trade. It spiked up. I didn't want to get out. I kept that trade. I knew it was going to come off this wall again. I'm looking for this 10 to 12%. I'm going to close within this wick somewhere. But look at the pattern, guys. Keep your eyes on it. Okay? 4-hour. Notice. Another one. That was Storm, I think. No, this is Storm. So another one. I posted this in the group. A big drop in, a big spike up, back and forth off the walls, break outside the channel wall, and then a spike up. I think I got 18% off this trade here. Doc, I posted this in the group. We're on a 12-hour. Look at this beautiful pattern, guys. And no, the breakout should be the length from between this and this. So this should be the breakout length, about the size of this wall between the two walls. So I should see a breakout from here to up here somewhere. Am I going to hold that long? No, I am not. I'm going to get out between 10 and 20%, period. Wherever I feel like I think I should get out at. I'm going to close 75% of my position and hold on tight for the rest of the day. Last one, guys. I've closed all these trades. Strat, this one blasted up to here. No, blasted up to this yellow line. I closed everything because it happened very quickly. I can get my money in and out of the market, reinvest it back in to gain another 10%. The likelihood of me gaining another 10% on top of the first 10 or 12% I got on Stride is very unlikely right now. But the likelihood of me picking a new trade ready to break out and reinvesting that $500 to $1,000 or whatever I decide to put into it is very likely, guys. So I'm using my money smart, getting in and out of the market, and paying attention to the moves of Bitcoin along the way. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some value from what we had to say today. Please push that like button below if you guys did, in fact, get some value. All the way down at the bottom, you're going to see some comments. We want to hear what you guys have to think about our analysis on Bitcoin. What do you guys think about some of our trades? What do you guys think about the crazy growth we've had in our account over the last couple of weeks? We'd love to have you guys' input. So please, in the description below, in the comment section, give us some thumbs ups, give us some input, let us know what you guys think. Also, guys, for those of you who want some more free value, we've got a free ebook for you guys. It's called a Bitcoin Consumer Guide. There's going to be a link in the description below, bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's for YouTube. bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That is for YouTube. That's going to take you guys to the free ebook brought to you by the Cryptocurrency Alliance. There's also going to be some information after that, above and beyond, that's going to take you guys to some video series, a little bit of information about the Bitcoin market, some terminology that they use inside some of these chat rooms so you guys know what they're talking about. There's going to be some useful information about exchanges, how to find them, how to use them, and some information about the Bitcoin market in general. Whether you're new, whether you guys have been here for a while trading, you're going to find value inside these free info books and ebooks. So, guys, get your copy today. Sign up, go do what you got to do, go to the link down low. I'm your boy Dave Rodriguez, your crypto coach here inside the Alliance. I want to thank you for your time today, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow to see how these trades went and to go over our boy Bitcoin. Talk to you guys later.